And amazingly, I'm back at Alton Towers for the third time this season. I was here a few weeks ago for Oktoberfest, of course, and as you can see behind me, the Wunderbar is still going on, which has been rethemed for Scarefest, which is what I'm here for. I'm really excited to get some night rides on Lukrembo and Nemesis. Unfortunately, the Smiler is down, so we're not going to get on that today. But I think I got plenty of rides on the Smiler during Oktoberfest. Currently on the Sky Ride, taking it over to Nemesis to meet up to Forbidden Valley to meet up with some friends. We're going to ride Nemesis. I'm also going to get booked, because I don't usually do this, I'm also booking onto a scare maze. I'm going to try the Darkest Depths, which is apparently the one to do when you're not too sure about them, which for me, and if you saw my thought vlog from last year, which is up there somewhere, scare zones and scare mazes are the one for me. I get scared really quickly and really easily. Yeah, I'm really excited to get on to my very first maze, see how I get on with it, and I'm excited to ride Nemesis again. Maybe it'll surpass Smile as my number 2, because Smile's down, I can't compare it, and I like Nemesis, it's a good time. But yeah, I'll catch you when I meet up with the rest of the gang and I'll ride Nemesis.
My God.
Oh my God! So I met up with everybody, Joel, Edwin, Ted Stranger's Transport Special, Extravaganza, Amy, Zach and Owen at the back there. Will has convinced me to get the £24 pass
tickets
for all of them. Oh.
And we're just about to walk past the exit to our first one.
Yeah, we're about to, it's Toxic Junkyard. We're about to do the Toxic Junkyard. I'm going to crap myself. It's going to be, yeah, I'm not ready for this. Oh my gosh, she's dressed as Alice in Wonderland. I'm not ready for this. We'll catch you after the first scare maze. If I'm still alive. So we just did Toxic Junkyard. I'm still a bit terrified. We've got 3 more mazes to go. Apparently this one's okay. Joel said this one's okay.
Good. It was really good in 2019, but it's supposedly quite different to what it was back then.
So my coping mechanism is swearing, profanity.
I don't think this is a family maze anymore, so
okay.
don't really worry about that. So
I hope not.
I think swear away.
Yeah.
And if the next tells you off,
Darkest Steps next. Wish me luck. Vlog. What did you think of Darkest Steps? Good, really good.
Yeah.
I swore a lot again. It's good that the story was fantastic.
Yeah.
It's, definitely try that one out. It's a good starting maze. What did Ted Stranger Transport?
I thought it was amazing. I think honestly it could be better than last year. I'm not sure though.
I mean so compared to Freak Show is just lots of like jump scares.
Yeah. That's more story driven.
Yeah.
You'll find that in the attic as well.
Owen got hit with a tentacle.
Or was it Joel? Joel got a tentacle.
One of us got hit with a tentacle. Well, that was really good.
Yeah.
Yeah. If that's the tame one though, and the next 2 are more scary.
Supposedly.
I feel sorry for the people around me, like you guys, because it's more screaming and more swearing.
Oh, we'll be fine.
Is it Attic next?
Attic is next.
Oh, what die?
Hello. Welcome. Where do you begin, my friend?
That was 5 pumpkins.
It's not lying. That is definitely 5 pumpkins.
I'd like to put a shout out to Edwin, who saved my life.
Yeah. Gave you something to hold.
Literally, so that was terrifying. So as a piece of like I said, as a maze, as an attraction,
as a technical achievement, it's
that
amazing.
was fantastic, and it was a really good.
So what we're saying is, it does its job very, very well.
I'm scared still. I'm like shaking. I hate that so much. However,
he's not saying don't do it though.
I'm not saying don't do it. I'm saying bring a spare pair of trousers.
Bring your spare clothes.
That was terrifying. Oh my god, we got mine tours next as well.
Yes,
oh no, why? I paid for this. So skin snatchers. She started talking. I said no and left.
So no review for
There's no Connors Coast.
However,
Amy.
Oh, I thought it was amazing. I loved that. Yeah. I think the attic's my favourite, but the setting there was brilliant.
Well, my Bolton one statement, that was my favourite last year. This year it's the attic for me.
The
I
attic.
thought it was good, but I don't know, I suppose it's starting to get a bit same old for me. That's the third or fourth time I've done it.
Is it?
It's like, yeah,
Has
it's time.
it not changed at all?
Not changed at all. I think it's time for a new maze in there. But still, you know, can't fault the set pieces. Still looking good. You know, actor quality. They went for you more than me.
They do.
So you got the best experience.
I'm sorry, if I'd have been there, I probably didn't even doubt. But
Yeah.
literally.
But yeah, for me, it's the attic this year, to be honest.
Attic was good.
Fantastic.
I was
Really good.
literally for attic. I held on to Edwin for the entirety of the way around. I started holding on to Joel for this one, and like Joel was like helping me get through it. I was like the guys.
Pre-show number 2.
The guy started talking, and then we got inside, and his sister started talking, and she was all about skin snatching. I was like, no, I'm out. I think the plan now is to get some food because I am starving.
I fancy a pint.
Yeah.
And
Give it a
then
pint.
maybe a coaster.
I think it might be coaster time.
Pint and coaster. So we'll catch you after some food.
Food, yeah.
We are all back as a group, so we broke up a little bit. I had a hot dog from the Oktoberfest, and then I had a burger with the worst chips in the world. It's not good.
The burger place there.
Too soggy, another one. Then went and had a fantastic ride on Nemesis. Currently my number 1 in park. I think it's got my electric work. And now we're queuing up for the car. It's getting darker. The lights coming on. There is some dead pixels, which is a shame. But yeah, look forward to it. Catch you after that. Is Wicker Man. We just got off of a fantastic ride on Wicker Man.
It was very speedy.
On towards the back end of it. There's a shark over there, be careful. There'll be sharks ahead. How are you finding Wicker Man?
It's gone right up in my rankings for this year.
Yeah.
It's very good. I liked it a lot.
It was cracking. It was a rapid ride. I think we're gonna queue close that one later because it's got the fire and it'll be dark and it's rapid. We're gonna go do Oblivion again because it's now getting dusk and dark and spooky.
Oh yes.
What a day. And then, so I think the plan is to do a Oblivion ride and then go over to Nemesis and finish day in Wicker Man. So I'll catch you after Oblivion. Join us after a ride on Oblivion. Currently blitzing our way over to Nemesis. Joel, how do you find Night Oblivion? Yeah. The first time I've done that in the dark, it was yeah, it's rapid. Looking forward to a couple of night rides on Oblivion because it's on like half an hour, and then we're gonna do the queue close on Wicker Man. So we'll catch you after Wicker Man. Hello.
Hello.
We're back.
We're back. So we got a ride on Nemesis. You got 2 rides on Nemesis. No,
Yes.
yeah, 2 rides on Nemesis. Nemesis was hauling.
It was.
It was amazing. Back up to number 2 for Connors Coasters.
Of course.
Sorry, Smiler, but you're broken today. Nemesis is it's amazing. Then was a fantastic. You got Jewel. Who won?
Did do a duel.
Oh, I didn't play. Will got
I managed to
74,000.
get 74,000 on duel
Seven-
without stopping.
I can't. I
No
can't.
breakdowns.
I can't even get 1,000. And then.
That's cow.
And then the last ride of the day and my last ride of the season at Alton Towers. Was it, you guys coming back, aren't you? Or was it
Maybe?
We're thinking
Maybe.
about coming back for fireworks if possible.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, we'd like to.
Certainly my last ride of the season at Alton Towers was Wicker Man. I managed, you got in the back.
We got a back row.
I got a front row for the very first time for Connors Coasters.
No, look.
They turned them off.
Oh
Ghosts
no, the
are
ghosts are off. We like the ghost.
We do like the ghost.
It is very late. But yeah,
That's literally the picture from our group chat.
front row
Devastating.
Wicker Man is incredible. It's staying firm where it is because I feel like Wicker Man gives those kind of rides at this time of the night, and throughout the rest of the year it can fall a bit flat, but it's been amazing this year. I've had a great, you had a fun day at Alton Towers?
Oh, it's been lovely.
Oh, yeah.
It's been
Of course, thanks very much for letting us back in the vlog again.
Oh, as
thought
I
we'd put the viewers off again, but
no, as always,
it's very good to be back again. We'll
it's-
sure we'll be back next year.
definitely. Well, we might have a cheeky winter wonderland.
Ooh.
Cheeky winter wonderland. So
We're lighting now.
yeah, we got lighting back.
There is.
Not gonna have to edit the lighting for this one.
Oh yeah, no need, no need.
But yeah, thank you for watching. That's everything from today at Alton Towers. And yeah, we'll catch
See you
you
again soon.
See you soon.
Bye-bye.